Hey, watch it!
Sorry, I was just checking out my investments in real time on this new app.
That's in real time?
Yeah, it is.
Wow, maybe you should talk to a financial advisor. Or better yet, why don't you do what I did and invest in a Central Boiler outdoor furnace? It literally is paying for itself.
But what about my app?
Central Boiler has myfirestar.com, where I can remotely monitor my furnace and view my history charts. Now there's a chart you can get excited about. How are your fancy investments doing now?
I gotta make a call.
And so should you. Visit centralboiler.com and use the savings and sizing calculator to see just how much money you can save with Central Boiler.